movie theater. What are we doing here?
Well, I was just so excited. I wanted to try out my wig, so I came over to AMC and get our tickets for the movie party. Don't wait, it's coming up on Saturday, December 17th. It's the premiere of Avatar, the first Saturday, so mark your calendars and reserve your spot for your family. It's always a great event. This is the 9th annual Friends and Family Movie Party. You're treated to popcorn, fountain drink, trivia scrolling on the screen, and get your seats. So RSVP now at CarolineGau.com. See you soon. Hi, this is Caroline Gau, and we're at the AMC in Northbrook Court. We're getting ready for the movie party. So, Caroline, I'm excited to be here. What can you tell us about Avatar?
Well, it's the much anticipated sequel to the first one that came out 14 years ago, in 2008. Everyone's been waiting for quite a while, and with much anticipation, it's finally going to be arriving here. It looks fantastic, every bit as beautiful as the first one. Continuing the story of Jake Sully, our hero, now with a daughter. And so we're just really excited to have everyone coming back to see what hopes to be a monumental film.
And it's our 9th annual movie party here at this theater, and I can't wait to welcome you back.